वार्म वेलकम टू आरटीवी। आरटीवी में सभी का स्वागत है। आज के इस एपिसोड में हम बात करेंगे सोमनाथ अधिकारी से। सोमनाथ अधिकारी is one of the brilliant artists who's based in Durgapur, West Bengal, who is known for his distinguished or something different, his creative ideas and his visual language. And let us know more about his thought process, his philosophy, his experiences, and what he thinks about art. Somnath Adhikari ji, a warm welcome to Art TV.
Thank you so much. It's a great opportunity also for me to discuss with you in front of the Vasanji.
Yeah. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Somnath ji, your work of art has a unique idea, has something different. And वेस्ट बंगाल के बारे में क्या बताएं? वो एक ऐसी धरती है जहां पे हर इंसान इतना क्रिएटिव सोचता है, इतना अलग आउटपुट देता है। उस मिट्टी में ही है वो, उस पानी में ही है वो, दैट क्रिएटिविटी। माँ दुर्गा का आशीर्वाद बोलिए। And but before I begin discussing about your art, we all would like to know about your path traveled. I think so. अभी 30+ years से ज़्यादा हैं आप, more than 30 years you have spent time in art. We would like to know how it started and your path traveled till now in this process of art.
Yeah, actually from my childhood, when my age hardly 5 and 6 years old, and actually my whole family, they are related to the music. My mother, my elder sister, along with my maternal uncle house, my own grandfather house, everyone, they are very much interested with the music. I am also interested in music. But there is one story from my childhood. My elder sister, he win as a champion cup in all over West Bengal as a good singer. So suddenly I thought so many people, they are very much loved my elder sister. बहुत आदर जत्न करता है कि इतना बड़ा चैंपियन कप मिला। तो उसमें उस टाइम क्या हुआ, हमको बहुत दुख लगा। मेरा दीदी को इतना सारे आदमी आके मिठाई उठाई खिलाता है, अच्छा बात बोलते हैं, तो मेरा बहुत दुख लगा। तो मेरा जस्ट नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर जो है ना, इज अ वेरी फेमस वन आर्टिस्ट, पास आउट फ्रॉम कलकत्ता गवर्नमेंट आर्ट कॉलेज, ऑल्सो फ्रेंड ऑफ माय फादर। तो उन्होंने हमको बोला दुख करने का कोई बात नहीं है, तुम भी एक दिन चैंपियन होगा, तो चलो काल से हम तुमको पेंटिंग सिखाएगा। तो स्टार्ट। तो एक्चुअली when I started my painting, the actual, what is the, at the time of Vedic period ना, there is a actual गुरुकुल। उनका घर में हम वो जो सब्जी वब्जी बनाता है ना, सब्जी जो गार्डनिंग करता है, तो उसमें मिट्टी भी हम करते हैं और पेंटिंग भी करते हैं। कभी कभी बोलता है कि हमको कल्टू बोलता है, कल्टू, क्योंकि मेरा कम्प्लेक्शन इज टू मच डार्क एट दैट टाइम, तो हमको कल्टू बोलता है। तो बोलता कल्टू मेरा वो रेशम जरा सा लेते आओ। चलो ठीक है। कल्टू मेरा वो जो है ना, मेरा थोड़ा है नहीं, तेरा घर बाजार से सब्जी लेता हो, तो वो भी करता है, वो पेंटिंग भी करता है। मतलब एकदम टिपिकल वैदिक टाइम का जो होता है, वैदिक पीरियड का जो गुरुकुल प्रोसेस होता है, तो गुरुकुल से एक भी मतलब वो जो गुरु दक्षिणा जो था कभी भी मेरा पापा से लेता नहीं, कभी भी नहीं। तो बचपन से ऐसे हम चालू हो जाता है पेंटिंग। तब जब सीखता था, तो अनदर वन स्टोरी सर, माय फादर इज अ सिविल इंजीनियर। So in my class 10 exam, I have appeared very nicely. Class 12 also I have appeared very nicely. But I am also the only son of my parents. But my father, that is the story. My father never to pressurized me as a doctor or as an engineer nowadays, which is very very important. सभी को पिता सोचता है कि लड़का को डॉक्टर बनाएगा, लड़का को इंजीनियर बनाएगा, लेकिन मेरा पापा कभी भी प्रेशर किया नहीं, बोला जो तुमको जो अच्छा लगेगा वही करो। मेरा फादर इज अ वेरी फेमस इंजीनियर एट दैट टाइम. माय फादर एक्सपायर्ड इन द 2018 13 सितंबर. तो हमने भी चालू किया. तो फिर पहले हमको कुछ स्कॉलरशिप एडमिशन मिला लखनऊ आर्ट कॉलेज. उस टाइम तो उसको कहते हैं लखनऊ आर्टी कॉलेज. After 1 year again I have another one scholarship I have received in Rabindra Bharati University. So then I have completed my BBA, Bachelor of Visual Arts from Rabindra Bharati University with full scholarship, and then again I have completed my masters also. In between the time that time is going on, I am not telling regarding my biodata. You know that the artist is famous for his skill, not related his biodata. So many artists, their biodata is very strong, but they are not able to develop how to develop the painting. This is my expectation. So पेंटिंग चलता है चलते हैं, लेकिन पेंटिंग का बारे में सब हमने जब सोचा, हमारे गुरुजी एक बात बोला, मतलब वो यूनिवर्सिटी का जो हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट था, एक दिन एक इंटरव्यू में मेरा गुरुजी को एक बात पूछा से आपका जीवन में सबसे टफ काम कौन है, सबसे जटिल काम कौन है. तो उन्होंने एक आंसर दिया था, हमको अच्छा लगा. बोला कि एक कैनवास का सामने में जब हम बैठेगा तो कैनवास में कैसे हमने पेंटिंग चालू करेगा, हम कैसे स्टार्ट, हाउ टू स्टार्ट द पेंटिंग. दिस इज अ वेरी टफ जॉब फॉर मी. सो इट्स रियली आई लाइक that answer. So now that same thing is going on in my life also. So many times, so many painting I have seen in all over India. Long time I have stayed in West Germany. I have exhibited my painting in West Germany, more than 5 exhibitions. But after that I realized is the most of the artists, they have used for their surface as a paper or canvas like that. What I think, so since my many years I have seen the continuously I am searching how to develop the surface treatment. Everyone is using as a paper or canvas, but how to develop my surface? I thought suddenly when I am walking on the road, suddenly I have seen one piece of wood and thought that there is a wonderful one tissue, the slice on the surface of the slice, there is a wonderful one ring tissue, and just like that is just like as a painting, the finished painting. Then I thought it is necessary to input in my painting. Then I thought and to develop, and then just change the surface, that wooden surface I use the wooden surface along with the surface treatment. That means I include the wooden slice along with my painting. So nowadays most of the painting is the surface related treatment. That means the wooden slice, that means the acrylic on wooden surface. This is the journey.
Okay. So till now it's like this is the way how you introduced your slice of wood. Why you said that surface treatment, Dada? Usually I hear that, and even me as an artist, I think that like a canvas or a paper, it is like you know that it is a world by itself.
Yes.
Okay. Now just like how you have a stage for theater, you know, just like how we call as Rangasthal, you know, that itself is already treated. Then what was that necessary, or what was that curiosity in you which made you think like, now I need to add more value to this surface?
Yes.
The existing surface is not sufficient for my creativity. I need something more.
Yeah.
So what was that thing, and why did it come to you?
Yes, it's a wonderful one question. I think as our famous poet, you know, that Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, he explained that the cooking, the randhan, that is also on silpo. So I think you know that so many, that means the cooker who make the different types of vegetable, different types of maybe the food process. But sometime हम लोग ये भी देखा कि जो स्पेशल कुक होता है ना, वो कोई सारे मतलब एक सब्जी और एक मटन और चिकन प्रिपरेशन करने के जो मसाला मिलाता है ठीक है, लेकिन जो स्पेशल कुक है ना, वो सिर्फ कोई अलग एक मसाला उसमें इंक्लूड करता है. दैट इज हिज रिसर्च. एंड after that the taste is totally different. He realized it कि ये मसाला अगर डाल दे तो उसका टेस्ट पूरा अलग हो जाएगा. मतलब सारे दुनिया में जो चिकन बनाता है, जो मटन बनाता है, उसका जो टेस्ट होता है, लेकिन ये स्पेशल कुक जो बनाता है, मतलब ये ग्रैंड होटल और ताज बंगाल का जो कुक होता है, वो थोड़ा सा अलग तरीका से जब मसाला डाल के जो वो बनाता है, वो अलग टेस्ट होता है. तो दैट इज हिज ओन रिसर्च. I also thought that everyone is using the painting surface like that, paper, canvas, or mixed media like that. But I thought that how to recognize this is particularly Somnath Adhikari's painting, how to input, how to include some special effect. कि this is the absolutely that just like a signature artist. This is कोई देखेगा तब पता चलेगा ये सोमनाथ अधिकारी का ही पेंटिंग है. So I just input the slide, and I think you are also agree with me. When I include the paper, that means the wooden slice, actually the painting is almost complete. When I use some necessary lines, nowadays it's totally changed. More changing is coming. The more, very little bit of using the line. Almost the paper, that means the slice is almost it is the finished painting. There is little bit of line you have to use and then finish the total painting.
Yeah. Now the reason why I asked you is usually in a painting or on paper or canvas, when we use any external material, any external a physical material, it can be a slice of wood. There, I have seen many artworks. In the name of mixed media, there's a little bit of dramas happening, which.
But I never. I think you agree with me. I never to explain the mixed media. I always explain the acrylic on wooden surface.
Correct. So because for example, there are some people who bring cloth into it, who bring rags into it, who bring wood in them. When you use any external material like it, I feel that the painting loses its drawing or painting characteristics, and it becomes more of an assemblage, an assembled comp. But in your artwork, I observed that even though you get this slice of wood, it still does. You still don't feel like an assemblage. You don't get it still remains an artwork, a painting.
Yeah. I think it's necessary. It's necessary. Without this, it's not possible to complete the painting. It is very, very helpful for that particular painting.
Yeah. Because when you bring that, then the properties or the characteristics of that material dominates the painting. But in your artwork, I saw that you brilliantly handle the colors, composition lines so much that the dominance of that external material does not look. That is why I was curious to know why this surface treatment is an important aspect in your artwork. Right? Yeah. Good. Excellent. Now, second thing is like, even though on the wooden slice there are some forms, there are some rings, there are some some
that is the God gifted artist. He is a very famous artist.
You have textures, you have forms there, you have color variations, tonal values, everything in that small piece of wood, in the small slice of wood. Now, apart from that, whatever lines and forms that you add to create a complete painting, that also is very well balanced, because something which is done by God, as you said, something by nature, we can never match nature. But to balance that, so how do you plan your composition? Because you have something which is already very powerful, already nature.
Yes.
Now you have to your rhythm of your lines, colors, composition. You should get to that balance.
Yes.
Otherwise, that slice of wood will be very powerful. It is like how do you plan your composition? How do you design your?
Actually, sir. according to characteristics of that slide, I have to plan out how to include in my painting. Suppose one slide, the formation is already, it is prepared just like the one face of crocodile like that, or on face of the one bird. Actually, it is already formed. And the rest of the portion, how to include along with that piece of wood. Understood what I'm telling? Suppose one slice have, when I found one slide, the formation of the slide, the front portion is just like the
fish, sort of fish,
just like a fish. The rest of the portion, how to join, and not the only that. Apart from the fish, it is not possible. It is in our nature. It is not visible. The fish is roaming on the road. So fish along some nature. Fish where the fish live on the, maybe on the pond, on the river. So some aesthetics value it is also include. Suppose the fish, sometimes it is related some lotus. Maybe there is one lotus leaf. Some include some other object is so also necessary to include to develop the total characteristics of that particular fish. So in that reason, not only the fish along the portion of that slice of the wood it is finished, then some other object which is necessary, which is related with its fish nature, it's necessary, that particular object it is I have to put in my painting like that.
How long have you been working on this idea, Dada?
Actually, the wooden slides painting I have working more than 15 years. More than 15 years.
15. And usually, what is the size?
Usually, what I'm telling Basanji is day after day, I'm changing the character. What I'm telling from very beginning, I have used so many lines. But after that, I think that it's not necessary so many lines. Very, very less number of lines if you use on the surface of that paper, it is finished the painting. From when I started the painting from very beginning, there is so many lines. It's okay. But now I realize almost the slice of the wood is almost the finished painting. The nature, what I'm telling, the nature already create the painting. Little bit just object, use the drawing and then develop the painting like that.
But I mean, it's just a very layman's question, a very thing. But if we simply use that natural forms or lines which is there, and if you then how can we claim that it is our art unless and until there is some some creative presentation in that, there is some concept which is adding to it. How can you say then it's your art?
What I'm telling, all over world there is so many artists. Suppose the Van Gogh, when he finished his painting, her characteristics of the color using on the surface of the canvas, there is very much little bit thick color, just like he used the spatula like that. All over canvas, there is a very thick types of color always he used. So that is the main characteristic. He realized is the surface. Suppose one flower or sunflower, when you draw, the surface, the flower, each and every petal just pick up from the canvas like that. And that characteristics he used as per when he used the spatula color like that. So my surface also that I what I'm telling, the surface, it is not only the plain surface, sometimes nature. When I observe the nature, there is nature on the nature, there is so many obstruction. Maybe there is one house, maybe there is one fencing, maybe there is one tree. Each and every object, it is not the same parallel surface. Suppose when you observe one nature, one little bit on wonderful one building, then in front of that there is maybe one trees, maybe on front of that there is one road, there is one car. So one after another, there is surface is going on like that. That means that one by one step. In my surface also, sometimes when you observe painting, when you observe my painting very carefully, it's very easily you can clarify it, which is on the front portion, which is the back portion. That means which is foreground, which is background, which is middle ground. Very easily you can recognize it. And for particularly what I'm telling, as a signature painter like that, as a specifically this is when anyone observe my painting, when I use as a slice for my painting, anybody can understand that yes, this one finished, this one the Somnath painting. So very easily you can recognize it. So basically, actually, it is not my thought कि या हमने कभी सोचा नहीं कि ये देख के हमको कोई सोचना चाहिए कि ये पेंटिंग सोमनाथ अधिकारी का है. बहुत ही नेचुरल से, बहुत ही मतलब very माने unfortunately I am telling, very unfortunately I developed this skill, I developed these characteristics of my painting.
Yeah, unintentionally, मतलब हो गया, बन गया,
चला है, अचानक हमारे हाथ में चला है.
Correct. दादा, मैं जब when I see your body of work, you know, कुछ artworks उसमें ट्रीज होते हैं, कुछ में एनिमल्स दिखते हैं, कुछ में ह्यूमन फेस दिखते हैं, ऐसा. नाउ आपको या सो वी हैव नेचर एंड वी हैव ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, ह्यूमन लाइफ. ये दो में आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगता है इसमें, आपके टाइप ऑफ आर्ट में? मतलब सिर्फ नेचर और लैंडस्केप्स डिपिक्ट करना आपके क्रिएटिविटी की तसल्ली होती है, या फिगरेटिव या ह्यूमन लाइफ करते हैं? कौन सा कम?
बसंत जी, पहले हमने बोला माय पेंटिंग इज टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ दैट स्लाइड. उस स्लाइड में अगर कोई ऐसे कोई डिजाइन मिल गया, मतलब कोई रिंग टू ऐसे मिल गया, जस्ट लाइक इज स्टिल लाइफ लाइक दैट, सपोज वन जग or maybe one teapot. So I have also developed just like a teapot. It is not like that. It is not depend on me. According to that characteristics of slides. So it is not like that I have finished only the painting as a landscape or only the human. So many painting I have finished. It is just like a still life. Because according to the characteristics of slides is related with that particular, just like maybe on teapot or maybe on cup like that.
Oh, okay. So it's like, so your artwork begins from what is given to, what is thrown at you. Yes, what nature gives you. Wahan se shuru. Yes, and then you start developing. Interesting, very interesting. So that's a way how. So you intentionally first don't decide any concept or something. Once you receive the prompt, from there the story begins.
Yes, it's totally depend on the piece of slide.
So it's more sort of a visual extempore. It is like, you know, like pick and speak, you know, in schools or colleges we have this, like, or you have like, you are given a topic at that last moment, and then you have to think over that and start talking on that. So no amount of preparation can this thing. You have to be just observant, and you have to be alert and smart enough to pick up the things. So your artwork is more sort of a visual extempore, or you know, it is something which, or a pick and speak, like you get the topic, you face the situation, and then you start planning it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So I'm very sure this adventure is something very what do you say, it must be very fun loving. It must be, you must be enjoying this process.
Yeah, and nowadays Basanji, how do day after day na, when I'm searching the ring tissue, day after day I thought that the भगवान ने कितना, मतलब गॉड ने कितना क्रिएशन किया, हम लोग क्या किया, वो तो कर दिया, क्रिएशन जो कर दिया, हम लोग सिर्फ देख के वो लगा के हम लोग सोचा कि चलो हम लोग सोमनाथ अधिकारी पेंटर बने. आई एम नॉट द पेंटर, गॉड ने पेंटिंग कर दिया, हम सिर्फ वो लगा के दिखाता है कि, क्योंकि ही इज अ वेरी वेरी फेमस क्रिएटर.
True.
He's an actual creator God. Then little bit we just developed it.
Correct. Now, with this idea or concept, what is the usual size of work? Do you do small, medium, or large? How is that?
Again, I am telling Basanji, as according to the characteristics of slides. Sometimes the slide is maybe the 2 inch or 3 inch. Develop the painting within that 2 inch. How to develop? Maybe the 6 by 10. Sometimes I have finished so many painting more than 3.5 feet like that. When it is available like that types of slide. Or what I'm saying, it is totally depend on the size of that wood.
Acha. So even the size also is decided once you get the chip, once you get the slice.
Yes.
Yeah. Excellent.
I am totally artist. I as per I'm telling that I'm totally depend on the nature. Nature अगर हमको कुछ देगा तो हम कर सकता, मतलब ऊपर वाला गॉड हमको कुछ देगा तो कर सकता, नहीं देगा तो नहीं कर सकता.
नहीं, very true. We human beings are just dependent on nature, and we are a part of that nature.
You are the part of the nature. Yes.
Yeah.
You are roaming all over the nature. So this is also our to how to input the nature in my painting. This is another one my conception. भगवान हमको दिया था, ऊपर वाला हमको दिया था ये नेचर में घूमने के, फिरने में, खाना खाने के, सोने के, सब कुछ दिया, लेकिन दिस इज ऑल्सो माई ड्यूटी हाउ टू रेस्पेक्ट द नेचर, एंड फ्रॉम दैट साइड आई हैव आल्सो इंक्लूड इन माय पेंटिंग. वो लोग सोचा कि आर्टिस्ट सोचा कि हमने बनाया, हमने नहीं बनाया, नेचर हमको दिया, वो इंक्लूड किया, हम बनाया.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
अगर नेचर इससे भाग जाए तो हम नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Now, apart from your paintings, you do, I have seen images of your sculptures, your assemblage, your installation art and all. Now, no doubt ये visual art है, जहाँ पे आप paintings करते हैं, आप installation करते हैं, या आप assemblage करते हैं, लेकिन इसके approaches अलग अलग होते हैं. इसके, you know, just like how you mentioned, one chef or cook, he preparing different dishes, the different masala and different in all ingredients are different, so definitely that attitude or that approach will be different, the taste will be different. How do you compart it, or how do you see everything differently, compartly, or do you take off from the same platform? Like, how do you do it?
No, not like that is the same platform. Never. It's definitely, it is totally depend on the, as per the situation, as per the characteristics. It's totally different. It is not the same platform. Day after day, it is continuously, it is changing. Day after day, it is not the same platform.
Okay, I understood. Let me rephrase the question. I understood your paintings saying that how do you explore? You begin your exploration from the moment you find the slice.
Yes.
How does it happen with installation art? How does it happen with your other assemblage?
Others means actually, you know, maybe after a certain period or after some years, maybe I thought that the slide should, it is not good for my painting. Maybe any other object I am thinking, or that's why it is totally depend on me. The day after day, our thinking also changing, our looking process also changing, visualize also changing, everything it is changing. So it is totally different how to explain in the after maybe the 2 years, or after maybe the 4 years or 10 years, how to change my painting. It is very natural, it is coming, and then I have to input in my painting. It is not like that suddenly from very beginning you have to tell this is the actual, that means 2 + 2 means 4. It is never 2.
Correct.
In fine arts it is not possible to tell.
True, but how does it happen? You do sculptures and installation art, correct? How does it happen there? What is your theme? What is your concept when it comes to installation art?
Actually, installation, I am telling that is a sculpture. Suppose my sculpture, if you follow my, sometime I have, although my specialization in painting, but sometime when I prepared my sculpture, I don't know, my conception is like that. So I have to input that types of characteristics. It is already very, I am telling very, मतलब हमने क्या करेगा, मतलब ऐसे बहुत naturally. My sculpture, sometimes it is also related like the painting. That is, suppose if I use some installation also sometimes I have very easily I can relate with my painting very easily. Suppose I have prepared so many sculpture due to this pandemic, just for my mental refreshment, but I don't know, very naturally somewhere it is I can input in my painting. That means I can very easily join with my painting along with my sculpture very easily.
And what is your favorite subject or concept that you would like to explore?
Again, I am telling.
I understand. The reason I'm asking is, for example, when I see your Ganesha compositions, when I see your animal composition, and when I see your figurative compositions, the taste, the visual taste of each one is different.
Yes.
For example, when I see your Ganesha composition, it is so much. It's like there is so much of culture. There is so much of celebration. There is so much of the cultural element, the some sort of spiritual element, some sort of. But when it comes to animals, it is like as good as you are representing what's life around. But and when it comes to figurative work, I see like it's a bit surrealistic. It's a bit what do you say, a fantasy world. It's such an imagination world.
Yes.
Correct. So
Yes.
it's not like your figurative compositions are not like that of Ganesha or not
Yes.
like that of animals.
No.
It's quite it's either it's there is some fantasy, there is some imagination, or it is some surreal, something larger than life. Okay, so that is why my curiosity is, in which do you find more interest or more challenging, or something which is more adventurous?
Actually, again, I'm telling the same answer is coming. According to this, that means according to these types of characteristics of my painting, particularly when I observe the nature, so many very small, that means I'm telling object, I'm very much attracted about that part. Suppose one very simple one, leaves, or maybe suppose one flower, one petal, I'm very much attracted. Suppose that types of painting. So according to that characteristic, suppose I thought that one painting I have to finish only one flower along with one leaves. So in that reason, and that time I'm searching that types of one characteristic slides, how to improve that one flower along with the one leaves. कैसे हम मैंने ढूंढता रहता है कि कहाँ मिलेगा वो that types of one slide जहां से बना सकता है एक फ्लावर और एक लीफ. तो ऐसे नहीं कि बहुत जल्दी मिल जाता है, कभी कभी मिलता भी नहीं, लेकिन सोचता कभी ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब नेचर में जितना सारा सब्जेक्ट है ना, सब सब्जेक्ट को हमको अलग अलग तरीके से देखते हैं. मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि पर्टिकुलरली आई एम इंटरेस्टेड अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, बिकॉज आई हैव फिनिश्ड सो मेनी पेंटिंग रिलेटेड टू so many objects I have finished, not particularly. Suppose मेरा घर में ना मेरा बच्चा खेलता था, एक क्रोकोडाइल हमने देखा है, वो पेपर पल्प से बना है. तो कभी कभी ऐसे उसको जो गला है ऐसे हिलाता है, तो देख कर हमको एक दिन सोचा कि इज वेरी वंडरफुल ऑन सब्जेक्ट, इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड द नेचर. वो जो होता है ना, तो फेयर एयर होता है, मेला जो होता है जहां से हम उठा के लेते आया, वो अच्छा लगता है. वो एक स्ट्रिंग से झूलता है, घर में है, मेरा एक पेंटिंग है उसका, तो अच्छा लगता है. एक दिन शायद वसंत जी क्या वो दैट टाइप्स ऑफ वन वुडन स्लाइब आई हैव रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम द नेचर. एंड यू कांट इमेजिन the front portion of the crocodile, you know that the lip and that their teeth is too much big portion. That type of one piece of slice I have found, and there is one cracks between two slices. There is one crack, just like in the face of that crocodile. So that then and then I said, yes, I'm searching so many things. I'm searching that types of woods. Okay, I can develop this crocodile related with that particular painting.
Excellent. Now, when I see your figurative works, usually it is either a small girl or it is some divine person there. It is like, and with wings always. Now, what is that idea of that wings?
Wings, always actually wings. I am searching. Yes. I am also searching to fly all over the world. I am also searching now how it is possible. I search it if it is possible to fly all over the world. Then I can collect so many slides, so many subjects, that is the conception. Always I want to fly. Always I want to fly with my creation. That is nothing else. That is
so basically, if at all I have to put it in one line, I can say like you are always in an adventure search of something maybe which you don't know what, but you are searching.
My searching is like suppose there is one dark. My searching is inside the dark. What is this? Inside the dark, what happened? I want to see. अंधेरा का उधर क्या है वो देखना चाहते हैं हमने. अंधेरे का उधर कुछ भी तो है वो देखना चाहते हैं. तो continuously I'm searching like that.
Excellent. So now your body of works or your creative concept is search for the unknown. It is for search something which you don't know. It is so mysterious. Pata bhi nahi hai.
I basically I don't know what is
correct.
This.
Correct. Now, in this search, is there any particular concept or series which you think like it is very challenging, but I want to do this now?
It is again, I'm telling, it is not depend on me. If I take
Me.
any challenge, maybe it is not available in the nature. So I never to take any nature. That is totally, that's why I'm telling for a baby, I'm totally depend on the nature, because nature create to me, and this is also my responsibility to respect the nature. I believe that.
So basically, it's like you begin your thought process once you receive from the nature.
Yes, yes.
So don't know what is beyond saying.
No,
What is beyond that? What is so you don't have your own search, something which you have received, and then you start exploring that.
Yes.
Excellent, very nice, very brilliant. That's like. And lastly, I would like to ask the one question. Apart from wood, apart from slice of wood, is there anything else from the nature which you have seen and you have started working apart from wood?
It is also, I'm telling, it is also explained. It is not depend on me. Maybe after sudden people, if I think.
No, till now. Future, I know, but
No,
till now.
till now, what I'm telling them, as per my characteristics, I am using like that. Maybe after sudden time, if my thinking is changed, it is not. I'm not. ना अभी तो हम बोल नहीं सकता कि ये चेंज होगा. Naturally, what I'm telling you, everything is coming very naturally in my life. अभी कभी कुछ देख के अगर सोचा कि हो सकता है ये पेंटिंग में ऐड करेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा तो अलग बात है, लेकिन हम तो अभी कुछ सोचा नहीं. ये फ्रॉम वेरी बिगिनिंग आई एम टेलिंग, इट इज टोटली इन माय कॉन्सेप्शन, इज टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द नेचर. नेचर अगर हमको कुछ दिखाएगा तब हमको सोचेगा. हाँ, उससे जब हम नेचर में घूमता देखता है, सारा चीज जो है देखता है, लेकिन देखने के बाद कैसे वो इनपुट करेगा मेरा पेंटिंग के ऊपर, ये हम कभी सोचता नहीं, कभी भी सोचता नहीं. आ जाएगा वेरी नेचुरल. यस, ये पेंटिंग ऐसे बनाए, अगर ये लगाएगा तो अच्छा लगेगा, तब हम सोचेगा. हमने कभी प्लान किया नहीं, ये अगर छोड़ के ये लगाएगा, ये छोड़ के ये कोई प्लान हमने किया नहीं. वेरी नेचुरली व्हिच इज कमिंग, देन आई विल बी इनपुट.
करेक्ट. मेरा सवाल ये है कि आज तक आपने लकड़ी के साथ काम किया, क्या आपने कभी कपड़े के साथ काम किया, क्या आपने केन बैम्बू के साथ किया, कुछ आयरन के साथ किया, कुछ लोहा के साथ, ऐसा कुछ किया है क्या, सिर्फ लकड़ी के साथ किया है?
No, actually from my student life there is one subject which is related, that is the mixed media. That is as per the syllabus, you have to prepare some painting that. So at that time I have used so many things, that is the cloth, that is the paper, maybe there is a matchstick, like that. But I am telling very frankly, at that time I am not satisfied about that mixed media work. As per the syllabus, as per the class work I have prepared, but I am not satisfied at that time.
Excellent. Good. It was nice.
Basant, another one point I'm saying, sometimes the mixed media, it is, I thought maybe so many, those are very good in mixed media work, maybe हमको अलग कोई सोचेगा. Sometimes I thought that when someone is prepared some mixed media, maybe some any other object, suppose my painting is not mixed media, I never to explain that is mixed media, acrylic on wooden surface. Sometimes ऐसे होता है, हमने देखा था, बहुत सारे पेंटिंग को हमने देखा कि ऐसे in on the paper of surface of cloth or canvas, when he is not able to finish the total painting, not finish that as a finished painting, जैसे वो सोचा कि ये पेंटिंग अच्छा तरह का फिनिश नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो सोचा नहीं, थोड़ा सा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट इसमें डाल दो, कोई मिक्स्ड मीडिया, सपोज कोई क्लॉथ डाल दो, कोई पेपर डाल दो, तो ये अच्छा लगेगा. तो ये एक्चुअली हिज लैक ऑफ हिज इमेजिनेशन, आई थॉट दैट. अगर वो सोचेगा तो पहले से काहे सोचा नहीं कि यहाँ पे हम, जैसे हमने सोच लिया कि वुडन स्लाइड, I have to use this wooden slides here from very beginning. I have thought. तो जब वो पेंटिंग डेवलप नहीं कर पाया, तब वो सोचा चलो इसमें एक कपड़ा लगा देगा, इसमें एक पेपर लगा देगा, इसमें एक बैम्बूज लगी देर. It is totally the lack of imagination, like that.
Yeah. That's it. It was an interesting discussion with you, Somnath Adhikari ji. It's like I've taken some good time with you. And it's interesting to know how you think, how you explore, how you observe, how much you are alert and awake, that
Yes, yes.
to keep an eye on the nature, that there is something, there can be something here which nature is giving me, and I have to take it. So very much appreciate your alertness, your awakeness, and the way how you choose and pick up things. Definitely we will meet again for more discussions.
Okay, okay.
Wherein we have because your art is full of creativity. It has elements of good expressionism, it has elements of good surrealism, there's a lot of symbolism into it, there's a lot of symbolic, but overall package, you see, it's brilliant artwork there.
Thank you so much.
So
Your
it was
appreciation, it is also develop my creation.
yeah, it's a nice this thing talking to you. It was a nice experience, and to know things about it. So friends, I believe that you enjoyed this discussion with Somnath Adhikari, and do let us know what you think about this idea, this concept, and do like, share, comment, and subscribe Art TV. Thank you very much, Somnath ji, for being.
Thank you. Lots of thanks. That is our Bengal culture. Namaste. Namaskar.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.